G'day. Oh hi! Didn't see you up there. Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we're going to build a laundry. And we're building it from scratch, building it in my garage, and we're putting it in my house. And we're keeping it simple. And the way that we're keeping it simple is by using this product here. This is a melamine coated plywood. The edges are nice enough, but the face, not that strong. But we've got to be practical in this laundry. And here is our very practical layout. We have storage up on the side with some storage at the top. We have a pull-out vertical drawer, which I will be building in this exciting episode. And we have the sink with upper cabinets and an open shelf. And then we've got a washer, dryer, combo with another cupboard on top. I'm really trying to maximize this wall that used to be a fireplace. Let's just get into it. You may have seen this when I was building the kitchen. My friend Tim at The Offcut, which is furniture maker, cabinet maker, and he has a YouTube channel. He made this for me. A piece of paper, he printed it out for me. Nice guy, eh? Of course not, I'm just being silly. He made this here. It is a plastic template for drilling center holes for kitchen hinges. And it looks like my van! And then depending on how you mount these kitchen plates, you make the hole slightly bigger. Gotta think long and hard before I use melamine coated plywood again. Things like that, I was just sweeping the dust off that and off it chipped. You have to be very precious with this stuff. One thing that I've noticed with cabinet making and building they have in common is you're always solving problems as you go. The design you start with isn't often the design you end up with. This is one of the doors that I was just drilling the hinges for last night. And this is going to be the handle that I was going to put on it. So they're subtle, right? You just turn it around like this, pop a couple of screws on the back, there, and then you have this sticky outy handle like that, and all you have to do is pull it with your finger, voila. Perfect, right? Not in this case. That cabinet is set back a bit further, and then when the door opens, it hits this ply panel here. So over time this little metal sticky outy handle is going to hit the ply and slowly damage it. We need a new handle. That's really slow.
In my opinion, it's the best.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like the circle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For my point of view, it's the best.
I'm very happy with that. And if you go over towards there, so I'm trying to do something that I didn't do when I was building the kitchen. When I was building the kitchen, as soon as I finished the cabinets, I brought them inside. And the problem with that is I was going back and forth from the garage when I was doing the doors and all the different parts. It's better to build them all and add the accessories in one place and then transport them. but my garage is limited. I can barely move around in there. So I thought I'd bring the biggest ones in, get them out the way.
What is the, what's this block of wood here?
Oh, that's, I ran out of feet.
Oh!
I got feet in the front, adjustable feet. And now I can get this, somebody asked me about this in the kitchen video. It's a Hayfully, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, adjustable arm thingy-mabob. It locks into the feet of the cabinet. It has to be a certain type of foot. But anyway, it locks into that and then you can just turn this like that.
Did you buy that though, or did it come?
I did. I bought it.
How much was that?
Like $80.
Oh, okay, I thought you were going to say something obscene.
Then you can attach a drill to it as well. Got a problem. I think I've got a solution now. So usually when you make a drawer, you have a drawer rail there and you have a drawer rail there. And it stops it rocking around, right? But it also stops the potential problem of the rail just coming right out. So I need to stop that going that way, particularly at the back. I think I've got a solution. So the plastic stops the drawer from separating from the rail. Have you ever thought about building a website? Well, have I got the website building platform for you? Squarespace is the sponsor of this video. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform where you can build your online presence and run your business. So if you want to build a website, they have a load of flexible templates. They start off with a look that you might be fond of, and then you can customize it to fit your business. Squarespace have even added an invoicing function so you can invoice your clients straight from your website. And they host domain names as well. And if you already have a domain name on another platform or with a web designer and you want to change over to Squarespace, they also offer domain transfer as well as custom domains. So if you don't have a domain, you can get one via Squarespace. If you want to try it out for yourself, head over to squarespace.com for a free trial. And then once you're ready to launch, head to squarespace.com/Scott Brown Carpentry and you can save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Now we try to be practical. That's why we got this laminate stuff. It's chipboard with like a veneer on the top of it. Very easy to chip it though, to flake off the veneer. I'm a little bit worried about cutting it, but let's just give it a go. It's actually pretty good. I mean look, the front is clean. Again, pretty clean. More.
Are you happy?
Yes, yes I am.
Very good.
The bench top's a funny one, but we chose it for a good reason. We want to be practical, not spend a fortune. We've got a nice quality stainless steel sink. This is the same sink that we used in the kitchen.
Not the same bench top though.
Oh no.
This one didn't cost $6,000.
Yeah, 6.5. This one was 300, I think? 200?
That seems quite a lot considering it's just an
250?
OSB.
Chipboard with some veneer on it.
Alas. Good size sink. Good for washing pots.
If I've done this cabinet, that cabinet, this bench, and these cabinets correctly, this should line up. So I'm pretending that I don't know that it lines up. It lines up, of course it lines up. Voila! Is it starting to look like this? Kind of? I can't stand back far enough. Yeah, we got the cupboards at the top there. Haven't built the shelf below it. And I need my adjustable shelves. I think it's a much better use of the space. That was the fireplace, all concrete, and not much either side of it.
I just went to the post office and picked up this. It says, because they have to state what it is on the customs form,
Yeah.
plywood painted push stick for table saw safety.
What are you trying to say?
I approve this message. Stop being more safe.
This is totally unplanned, by the way. Jess just got home with this in her hand and she said, you need to open this.
No, I just laughed because it said for safety.
Oh, it's made. Oh,
Oh,
my God.
stop!
Isn't that sweet?
Oh, that's so cool! God, people are so thoughtful.
I know, right?
You're a lucky man, Scott.
Enclosed, you'll find my favorite style of push stick. Thanks again, Nick.
That's really nice.
Thank you, Nick. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Who would have thought the only reason that this is on the van is because no one wanted it and it made it $1,000 cheaper. And that's why we bought it.
Now
And
it's
now
like the logo.
It's our logo.